Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to talk about the interface of Capcut and how we use Capcut for editing, so let's get started. First of all, this is the left side of the Capcut, which we are going to use for import our videos or add some text, music, transition, and etc. In short, this is the main side of editing. We can import our videos like this from the import button. Now let's talk about the music. Here is the bunch of music that we can use for our videos and make our more professional by using this. If you click on the music, then you get the more variety of sounds like this. PPO beats, love, horror, film, etc. If you click on the sound effect, then you can add sound effect on the background of your videos like set effect, then or any shocking sound effect as you hear on the other YouTube video. Or you can extract your own audio, and you can create a TikTok sound like this, and you can use your own brand music like this. Here is the all sounds options you can easily use for your videos and easily make your video like other YouTubers. Now let's talk about text. As you know, text plays an important role on all videos. Basically, text is the easiest way to convey your message to your audience. So let's talk about text. Most important advice or the effects or text. We are going to use the property of the text are shown on the right side of the screen. Like this you can see. You can change the text font text style, you bold it, I use some other properties. Like this, or you can change the character of text and change the alignment. And you can use preset style of the text. You can scale your text like this and add keyframe. We are talking about keyframe in our coming videos, okay. There are so many other options in this video, you can check by it yourself, and I make sure you will find the best result. And now I am going to increase the speed of my video, so enjoy the video. As you can see how I totally changed text, you too can do this. Editing need practice, so do more practice. You can do whatever you want. You see NA change the different bubble side of text like this. Now, let's talk about stickers, how you can add sticker on your video. You can write any sticker on search bar and use it. You can change the size of the sticker from the right side of the screen. Now, let's talk about effect. Effect plays an important role into your videos. As you can see, there are so many effects you can use for your videos. You can check this by yourself. Okay, SOO. Effect can change your video quality and made it more professional. Just you need to learn how to choose a perfect effect for your videos like blur, zoom, or etc. You can drag or drop your effect like this. You can use blur effect and also add some zoom effect like this. You check the other effect by yourself. I make sure you feel happy after that. Now we are talking about transitions. There are so many options of transitions like this. You can any one of this like this and change with the any author as you want. And you can add some transition sound effect from the audio. Now talk about caption. You can generate caption by using text-to-speech feature and then click on the auto caption button like this. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. You can animate your caption too. We will talk about caption animation in our upcoming videos on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Everyone. We can use filter on our videos as you want, like a cinematics filter like this, or you can use other as you want. And you can adjust your video color with the adjustment layer like this. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel.